friends, today we'll be drawing a giraffe for beginners using the grid method. So first we'll be marking points by 5 centimeter vertically, and the same can be done in the opposite side. And remember, this measurement is only for A4 size papers. And now we'll draw lines to join the dots. Now we'll be doing the same thing horizontally. Okay, now let's just number the boxes so that there'll be no confusion. Okay, now it's time to start drawing the giraffe. Let's start off with the eye. So the eye will start from the first column, fourth row. Done with the outline. Now let's give a few columns inside the giraffe so that we can color them and make it more colorful. It depends on you how many columns you want to make. We are done with the giraffe. Now let's do the background. So here I'm just drawing a few leaves for the background. Time to outline the whole figure with an black sketch pen to make it more dark. And we'll be making a few places dark. We are done with the outline. Now let's start coloring. Okay, let's start with the eye. So for the eye, I'm using black and scarlet. I'll be also using a white gel pen. Now for the top and bottom part of the eye, I'll be using yellow, medium yellow and orange. So the same color I'm gonna use for the topper layer and the nose. It is not that necessary. You also have to do the same color that I'm doing. It's up to your choice. Now I'll be using light blue and cerulean blue hue for this part. Then I'm going to use light green and leaf green. So you just need to use a dark shade and a light shade of the same color. Now I'm going to use light violet and pink. can use your finger for all the shading. Now I'll use pink and fluorescent pink. I'll be using red and dark violet. In the next part, I'm going to use maroon and red. And in this part, I'm going to use black. And for the layer above the giraffe's eye, I'm going to use orange and red. So I'm done with coloring the giraffe. Now let's do the background. So for the background, I'm using different shades of green, and I'll also use red and maroon. So we have finished our drawing. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Meet you in the next video. Bye.